Hello, friends.
Hello everyone! Today we are going on a sweet adventure with our LEGO Duplo honeybees.
Did you know that bees are hard workers?
Yes, you are right, Khula. Bees travel to the flowers, they collect the nectar, and then they bring it back to the beehive where they make lovely, delicious honey. So today we will learn how to build the beehive with Lego blocks. And then we'll follow along the honey cycle from the flower to the beehive. Producing honey will help the beekeepers collect the honey, the trucks transporting the honey, and finally arriving at the stores. So along the way, we will learn to count blocks, name numbers, we will pretend to be buzzing bees, and we'll also learn to sing a song about bees.
Are you ready to build and explore the world of bees with me? Let's get started.
Let us look at the resources we will need for this activity. We'll need the LEGO Duplo honey blocks and the LEGO plan.
What is the plan, Miss Rihanna?
A plan is a guide that will help us to build our blocks step by step. The plan also helps us to count the number of blocks correctly, to place it in the correct order and put all the blocks together. For example, when you need to build a house or a home or even a robot. So let us use these scaffolding steps now to build our LEGO honey blocks. Okay, so first of all, we'll start by sorting these blocks according to shape and color. We'll keep our truck on the side and we'll sort all the brown blocks together. Okay, and then we can sort the orange blocks that will probably be the roof on the side, and maybe all the yellow and the honey blocks in this container. Our two bees here, the cream colored blocks here, there we go, and our beekeepers, our flowers, and then our watering can.
Where does honey come from?
From bees.
What do bees need to make honey?
They need flowers and nectar. Khula, let's start building our LEGO blocks. We'll start with step 1 in the LEGO plan.
Let's start by making the beehive.
We'll use one brown rectangle block and two smaller brown blocks and attach them together. This will be the ground of the beehive. And now we'll move on to step 2 in our LEGO plan.
Now let's build the beehive walls.
Let's count the blocks. We have 1, 2 yellow walls. We'll attach them to our brown foundation. This is our honeycomb. We'll place it inside the beehive. And then we move on to step 3 of the LEGO plan.
Time to add a roof to keep the bees safe.
Let's count. We have 1, 2 orange blocks for the roof.
What are roofs used for?
Roofs are used to keep whatever is inside safe from the rain or from the sun.
Bees need flowers to make honey. Let's add them.
So that was step 4 in our LEGO plan. Let's count the bees. We have 1, 2 bees. And then we'll place them close to the beehive. So we have 2 more things to do before we finish building. We need to now build our flower. This is the ground of the flower, the leaf part, and the actual flower. And don't forget to build your truck. Attach it together. This is the side of the truck, cream color. Our truck is green. And remember, our flower is purple.
Let's follow the journey of honey.
So take the flower and we'll quickly use our watering can to make sure that this flower gets enough water to grow. The bee then flies to the flower.
The bees are drinking nectar from the flowers.
From the flower, the bee flies back to the beehive.
The bees take the nectar back to their hive and turn it into honey.
We have then two beekeepers. One, two, that goes to the beehive and collects the honey. With a honey container, they collect the honey from the beehive. They take the honey and they place it inside the truck. And from there, they take it to the store.
Now we can enjoy the honey by eating it. Now let's pretend to be busy bees.
Zoom, zoom from the flower. Zoom, zoom to the beehive. Collecting some yummy honey. Zoom to the truck. And zoom off to the store. Khula, we are now ready to taste some yummy honey.
I love honey so much. What do we use honey for?
We can dip our apples in honey. We can enjoy it with a nice pancake and even on a slice of bread. And Khula, did you know that bees help apples, almonds, and even watermelons to grow?
We can even pour honey into our coffee or tea. Miss Rihanna, I think it is time to sing a song about bees and honey.
That's a good idea, Khula. Let's sing a song that is all about the honey cycle.
Bees are buzzing, flying high, from the flowers to the sky. They gather nectar, sweet and bright, drinking up the golden light. Buzz, buzz, buzz they go, making honey slow and low. From the flower to the hive, watch them work and come alive. In the beehive, safe inside, bees make honey side by side. They mix the nectar thick and sweet, filling combs with golden treats. Bees and honey, what a treat, buzzing around so neat and sweet. Once it's ready, sealed so tight, honey glows in jars so bright. Off to the markets, shelves in rows, a golden gift that nature grows. Buzz, buzz, buzz they go, making honey slow and low. From the flower to the hive, watch them work and come alive. Buzz, buzz, buzz they go, making honey slow and low. Buzz, buzz, buzz they go, spreading sweetness as they flow.
What did we build today?
Khula, we built a beehive. Friends, when you go home today, perhaps you should build your own beehive and add some extra flowers and bees. Friends, thank you for joining us today in the Khula classroom. We look forward to see you next time.
Friends, remember to subscribe to the Khula Classroom channel for more videos.